Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. In today's video, we will learn how you can make $100 a day to $1,000 a day using a platform that pays through PayPal or Bitcoin. Yeah, you can earn PayPal Cash or Bitcoin. And you don't need your own experience. You don't need a website. You don't need skill. Any beginner can do that, but at the same time I will share how they are making money, what they focus on, and actually what you should be focusing on as well. And for that, I'm going to give you my software free, 100% free. Link will be in the description, but please don't get excited and don't go there, because I will show you how this website works step by step and how you can make money without any skill. As I mentioned before, you don't need to write, you don't need to make videos, etc., etc. But let's come back to a point before we enter there. I am making videos myself and I publish every single day. Why would I do that, and why would I share these things to you? Because these are opportunities, and it is true, they work, they're legit companies. But at the same time, I am personally making videos because I believe in videos and I know they work. But if video making is hard for you, there are solutions. One of the solutions is my own software, and it's free for you. This software writes a script for you. This software gives you voiceover and allows you to make videos without using camera, without using any video experience. I'll put a link to the demo video, total description video, training video somewhere here or here in the cards. And also the link will be in the description, so you can get the software for free, you can learn it for free. And at the same time, I will show you how this company makes money. And for that, you need a technology. I have the technology, I use it all the time, and you can get it too for free. Link in the description. But hey, links are in the description. Don't worry about it. Don't jump on them right now. Go focus on the video and learn how you can start making money using this platform. By the way, if you like our videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube knows that you are the right person to notify when we will upload our next video. Okay, so we are on get-paid.com. This website pays you for using them. They have clients, they want their projects to be used by real users. When you do that, they will pay you in PayPal or via Bitcoin. So here is the first page. You want to earn extra money, so they are offering you, if you want to earn extra money, this site is by far most reliable and quickest paying website I have ever come to know. Unlike 99% of the other sites out there, some user just mentioned in a testimonial. Now, recent member activities, these are the proofs that somebody made money in coins. What is coin? Coin is their currency. It's like a reward point. So getting paid is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you have to register, then earn and win coins by doing some tasks and redeem your coins. That's it. So what we are about, have you ever found yourself watching videos and clicking on ads? You probably did it for free, but we, get-paid.com, will pay you for those stuff. Read all these carefully before you start. Now we're going to take the first step, register. So for registering, you have to use your email address, username, password, and then confirm password using the same password. And then check the I am not a robot reCAPTCHA box and click register now. Just that's it. Now, here's an important thing. They made registration so easy because that's what they want from you, and they are paying you for only one reason, is to get your email address. I'm not saying they are not legit, they are absolutely legit, but this is where the money is. The money is in the email list. They are building list of users who want to make money online using different things, spending their times on different tasks, etc. So getting active people in their mailing list. Now you go through how you can make money. You can use an offer, surveys, tasks, and get paid using PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or Bitcoin. There are contests you can earn first, second, third, and these are the contest prizes. Now, Hall of Fame, some great users who earned a lot of points. Your name will be here once you are on top. Now go to help FAQ section, as I always recommend going and checking this section, because a lot of things, including how you actually get paid, will be mentioned here, and maybe this video will get old one day and their policy might change. So before you use any website, you should check their terms and conditions. A lot of times they are on the FAQ section. So here is the section, how do I get paid? So visit our offer page. We have lots of offers available for members from all over the world. Click on an offer to view it and complete if you wish. The instructions for the offer will be shown in the bottom all the times to make it easier for you. Please note, the first time you will be asked for your payment details and you will never be asked again. Once you complete an offer, either close the window or scroll to the next offer. You will be asked to wish to submit a request for the offer. Answer yes to submit a request. You will see if your offer is approved. We automatically check this 3 times an hour. You can cash out once you have reached 50 cents or $1 for certain users. And once you cash out, you will be paid within 24 to 48 hours. It's that easy. So it's probably super easy, and you can go to the next FAQ questions, and I highly recommend you check all the questions carefully, because there are sometimes in some websites fine prints that might cause you trouble or delays, etc. To start earning coins, go to Earn Coins menu. There are offers, business cards, pay-per-click, daily surveys, offer walls, and referrals. And to win coins, you can either join contests or sweepstakes. Redeem coins, click here, and for all different kinds of help-related issues, go to FAQ, forum, how it works, blog, and contact us. Let's earn some coin by using pay-per-click method. All the details are here and how much money you will make to complete a session. And there will be maximum 15 sessions per user. Instructions are clearly mentioned here. Go step by step and earn this money. We can also use daily surveys and earn coins. There are so many surveys listed in the survey section, and how much coins you make from participating each survey is written on the right hand side. Now there is a business card section. The instructions are there. All you have to do is to click this start button, finish the task, and make money. Check the I agree and click the next button. Then read the instructions and do what they ask you to do. The second step, that's kind of tutorial. The third step and the fourth step of typing work. So it's basically a typing work. So I made a mistake and the system is showing me you made a mistake. Look at the image carefully and try inputting it again. So the image actually says TEL. We moved on to the next one, and this one is asking for email address. Cool, I have completed a task and it's showing my records. So today's records, I have put 3 correct answers out of 4, and my ranking is 231, and 30 is the point I made. Did you like this video? I hope you did. In this way, you can simply register and use their website, fulfill those tasks, and start making coins. And when you make enough, redeem them as PayPal Cash, Amazon gift card, or Bitcoin. Now, are you going to make a lot of money very, very fast? No. But you can learn how they are making money, how we are making money, and literally everyone making money, including Google, Facebook, Amazon, all other websites. Then you should start implementing that, not this. If you ask me whether you should put your time, money, and effort on this or not, I would say if you are a beginner, you want to test it out, go ahead, do it. But if you really want to build a solid business, yes, try this website. Learn what they do and how they do. They are building list of subscribers, targeted subscribers. They are attracting people who want to make money online, and they're joining their mailing lists. So the people, these websites, this company, they are the ones actually becoming rich by getting people like you and me using their website. So what should you do? You should start building your list. The same way they are offering value, that you come use our website and we will pay you some coins, a tiny amount of $1, $2, $3, but you're actually making money from using our website. Even if it's small, it's money. We can do the same thing. We can offer value to people and ask them to subscribe to our mailing list, including this system. one of the easiest systems that I personally use in our companies. We gave away free stuff from other people's website, from other people's PDF, and turned those PDFs into our opt-in form, our opt-in page, and a lead magnet. We don't need to do any additional work. That's so easy. Link in the description will give you free access to the software. And also we make videos like this to share value with our viewers, and we build connections, we build rapport, and we give away our softwares. This adding value works. So start doing it. Even if you are starting small, start doing it. Even if you don't know how to make videos, you don't want to use cameras, you don't want to add your own voiceover, and you don't know how to write script, don't worry. This software will do everything using AI. The link in the description and the card was there already, and maybe I'll try to put it again here, and you'll get a demo and a total detailed training video on how to use the software. And just go use them, they are free. Go ahead and start making money just like these people, the real rich people. And you very soon will be able to make $100 to $1,000 a day from the internet. Did you like our video so far? Thank you very much. We are excited to have you here. Hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you'll be notified when we will upload our next video.